In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed GoHighLevel Calendar to Typeform question. Before we dive in, here's a quick reality check so you know what to expect. Typeform doesn't allow fully interactive widgets inside a question field, so you can't place a live GoHighLevel calendar directly inside a Typeform question. The practical workflow is to create your calendar in GoHighLevel and then share its booking link within Typeform. For example, in a statement, a question description, or by redirecting respondents to the booking page. With that in mind, I'll show you how to set up the calendar in GoHighLevel so it's ready to use. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and go to the main dashboard. Look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where all your account level configuration lives, including calendars. On the left-hand menu inside Settings, select Calendars. You'll see any existing calendars here and a button to add a new one. Click Create Calendar. For this walkthrough, choose Personal Booking. This is ideal when appointments should land on a single person's schedule. It keeps availability straightforward and makes the link easy to share. Give your calendar a clear descriptive name. Think about what your Typeform promises the user: discovery call, demo, consultation, and use that label so there's no confusion later, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Next, select the team member who will host the meeting. Assigning the correct person ensures availability pulls from the right connected calendars and prevents double booking. If you're the host, choose yourself. Otherwise, pick the appropriate teammate. Set a custom URL for the booking page. This creates a clean, memorable link you can paste into Typeform. Keep it short, on-brand, and easy to recognize. Avoid any private details in the slug since this link is public and meant to be shared. Choose the meeting duration that matches your offer, such as 15, 30, or 60 minutes. Shorter slots can increase completion rates. Longer ones work best for deep dive sessions. Make sure the duration aligns with the expectations you set in your Typeform so users know exactly how much time to plan for. When everything looks good, click Confirm to finalize the calendar. GoHighLevel will generate a public booking page you can share. For your Typeform, you'll typically paste that link into a statement or description or use a redirect after respondents answer key questions. That's it. You now have a GoHighLevel calendar configured for a smooth Typeform handoff. Set a clear name, assign the right host, choose a clean URL, pick a suitable duration, and confirm. Then simply reference the booking link in your Typeform to guide people to schedule seamlessly.